Biochemistry can be pretty scary. Until you remember that the first guy who ever saw animal cells through a microscope called them wee beasties. Biochemistry can be pretty scary because it's the science of life, and life is terrifying, so you need to find a good lab partner. Someone who passes through your protective membrane even though you're selectively permeable. Humans are already warm-blooded, but you need someone who gets you hot as long as you don't forget safety gloves for experimenting. Seen throughout the animal kingdom, but most notably in Homo sapiens, mammals excrete specific types of hormones in order to attract a mate. These chemicals are called pheromones, so the better the scent of subject A to subject B, the more likely they are to reproduce successfully. Now, I'm not trying to be too nosy when I say that we're meant for each other, but you really smell good today. The hand is the most complex piece of the human body. 27 bones in each with a plethora of calcium and cartilage so they can perform a variety of motions, anything from rubbing cat bellies to sucker punches, and millions of years of evolution have given humans fully working phalanges and opposable thumbs, and somehow, despite the statistical anomaly of two people running into each other on a planet of 7 billion, our hands fit together perfectly. When you're around, I melt like gallium at room temperature, but I'm taking your sugary kisses and transforming the glucose into adenosine triphosphate, so I have the energy to keep going even when you're not here. Just call me the protein helicase, because I want to unzip your genes and then combine the alleles with mine until it creates a zygote, and through the replication powers of mitosis, becomes the most wondrous child to ever walk this earth. Not because of eugenics, just because it's ours. I'm working on Punnett squares to figure out what our kids will be like, so do you think the way that your voice skips an octave when you call me darling is a dominant or recessive trait? I think we share more than just the genetic code, but honestly, I want your male gametes all over the epithelial layer of my mammary glands. I want to get close to you. I want to wake up and find strands of your hair on my pillows, the most wonderful reserves of keratin to ever grace this domain. I want to be so close to you so much that your pheromones rub off on my clothes and I get to walk around smelling you all day because you and me, baby, we ain't nothing but mammals. So at the end of the day or beginning of the night, I don't care if it's natural selection that wound your arms around me tighter than the double helix strand of a DNA molecule. As long as it's me selecting you, naturally. Pea plants. Get it? Because Mendel and genetics. I have APs on Monday. I have no idea what I'm doing.